Welcome back to our channel, where we explore fascinating stories of economic growth and development. In today's video, we have an incredible tale to share with you, a story of resilience, determination, and transformation. Join us as we delve into the remarkable economic journey of Bangladesh, a nation that has gone from being an underdog to a powerhouse in South Asia. Our journey begins in 1971, when Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, a charismatic leader, made a historic declaration, the Declaration of Bangladesh's Independence. This pivotal moment marked the beginning of a new era for the Bangladeshi people. Let's take a closer look at how this declaration set the stage for the nation's extraordinary economic growth. However, this path to independence was not without its challenges. The struggle for liberation from Pakistan was marred by violent conflicts and genocide during the 9-month-long Liberation War. The price paid by the Bangladeshi people for their freedom was unimaginable. The aftermath of the war left Bangladesh in ruins. The nation faced immense destruction and devastation, both physical and emotional. Rebuilding a shattered country was no easy task, but the resilience and determination of the Bangladeshi people proved to be their greatest strength. As Bangladesh embarked on its journey of rebuilding, it had to contend with not only the scars of war, but also the constant threat of natural disasters. From cyclones to floods, the nation faced frequent challenges that tested its resolve. Despite these adversities, Bangladesh persevered. Its people demonstrated an unwavering spirit of resilience and an unyielding commitment to progress. The nation began to focus on key sectors and implemented innovative policies to stimulate economic growth. One of the key factors in Bangladesh's economic success story has been its garment industry. The country has become a global leader in textile and apparel manufacturing, providing employment opportunities to millions of its citizens. Additionally, Bangladesh has made significant strides in sectors such as agriculture, microfinance, and information technology. The government's focus on infrastructure development and investment in human capital has also played a crucial role in driving the nation's economic growth. Over the years, Bangladesh has achieved remarkable progress in various socio-economic indicators. The country's poverty rate has significantly declined, access to education has improved, and healthcare services have become more accessible. Today, Bangladesh stands as one of the fastest-growing economies in the world. Its economic success has not only transformed the lives of its citizens, but also earned the nation recognition on the global stage. From underdog to powerhouse, Bangladesh's incredible journey is a testament to the indomitable human spirit and the power of collective efforts. The nation's success story serves as an inspiration for countries around the world, proving that with determination, resilience, and innovative solutions, even the most challenging obstacles can be overcome. At its inception as a nation, Bangladesh faced numerous challenging conditions. It had to establish its governance structure, build institutions, and lay the foundations for a functioning economy. The task was daunting, but the spirit of unity and determination prevailed, setting the stage for future progress. Unfortunately, for many years, Bangladesh was perceived by the world as a poverty-stricken country, grappling with numerous socioeconomic challenges. This perception often overshadowed the remarkable achievements the nation was making behind the scenes. However, over the past 3 decades, Bangladesh has experienced a transformative shift. The nation has made significant progress in improving quality of life indicators for its citizens. From healthcare to education, from gender equality to infrastructure development, Bangladesh has emerged as a shining example of what can be achieved with dedicated efforts. One notable area of advancement is in the field of healthcare. Bangladesh has witnessed significant improvements in healthcare access and delivery, resulting in a decline in mortality rates and the eradication of diseases that once plagued the nation. Education has also received significant attention in Bangladesh. The nation has made tremendous strides in improving literacy rates and expanding access to quality education, empowering its citizens with knowledge and skills for a brighter future. Gender equality has been a focus in Bangladesh's journey towards progress. The nation has implemented policies and initiatives to empower women, promote gender inclusivity, and eliminate discrimination. These efforts have not only transformed the lives of women, but have also contributed to the overall development of the country. Infrastructure development has played a vital role in propelling Bangladesh's economic growth. The nation has invested in modernizing transportation networks, expanding energy infrastructure, and enhancing connectivity, fostering trade, and attracting foreign investment. Today, Bangladesh's remarkable advancements in quality of life indicators stand as a testament to the nation's unwavering commitment to progress and development. It has proven that with strategic planning, inclusive policies, and a focus on human capital, even the most challenging circumstances can be overcome. Over the years, Bangladesh has witnessed remarkable improvements in life expectancy, a reduction in child mortality rates, and a significant decrease in poverty rates. These advancements reflect the nation's commitment to improving the well-being of its citizens and creating a more inclusive society. Bangladesh's progress goes beyond social development. It has also emerged as one of the fastest-growing economies in the world. With consistent economic reforms, investments in key sectors, and a vibrant entrepreneurial spirit, Bangladesh has attracted global attention as a thriving business destination. However, this journey has not been without its challenges. Bangladesh has faced numerous natural disasters, including cyclones, floods, and earthquakes. These events have caused significant damage and loss of lives, testing the resilience of the nation. Nevertheless, Bangladesh has shown remarkable determination in recovering and rebuilding after each disaster. Political instability has also posed challenges along the way. Bangladesh has experienced periods of political turmoil and unrest, affecting the pace of development and economic growth. However, the nation's commitment to democracy and the resilience of its people have enabled it to overcome these challenges and forge ahead on its path to progress. Despite these obstacles, Bangladesh's journey serves as an inspiration to nations around the world. It demonstrates that even in the face of adversity, with strong leadership, strategic planning, and the determination of its people, a nation can overcome obstacles and achieve remarkable growth and development. Bangladesh faced the daunting label of being an international basket case in its early years. This term, coined by the renowned American diplomat Henry Kissinger in 1971, described the perception of Bangladesh as a poverty-stricken country with limited prospects for development. However, the nation proved these skeptics wrong. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the founding father of Bangladesh, played a pivotal role in rebuilding the nation after the Liberation War. Despite the immense challenge, he tirelessly worked towards restoring stability, establishing institutions, and laying the foundations for economic development. In the early years of independence, Bangladesh faced numerous economic challenges. The nation had to rebuild its infrastructure, create a stable financial system, and alleviate poverty. These tasks required strategic economic policies and dedicated efforts from the government and its people. Bangladesh initially pursued a path of nationalization and socialism in its quest for economic development. The government took control of key industries and implemented socialist programs. While these initiatives aimed to create a more equitable society, they faced challenges in terms of efficiency and economic growth. Under the leadership of Ziaur Rahman and later General Hussein Muhammad Ershad, Bangladesh shifted towards liberalization and economic reforms. These leaders recognized the importance of market-oriented policies, encouraging private investment and entrepreneurship. These reforms laid the groundwork for the economic progress we witness today. NGOs such as Grameen Bank and BRAC have played a crucial role in Bangladesh's poverty reduction and development efforts. Grameen Bank was founded by Nobel laureate Muhammad Yunus, introduced microfinance programs empowering women and rural communities. BRAC, the world's largest NGO, has undertaken initiatives in education, healthcare, and rural development, making a significant impact on the lives of millions. Through a combination of visionary leadership, economic policies, and the collective efforts of its people, Bangladesh has transformed itself from an underdog to a powerhouse in South Asia. The nation's incredible journey is a testament to what can be achieved when a country remains resilient, embraces change, and works towards a common goal. As we conclude our exploration of Bangladesh's economic odyssey, we are left in awe of the nation's progress. Let us celebrate Bangladesh's accomplishments and draw inspiration from its story as we continue to strive for progress and development in our own lives and communities. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to share it with others. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more captivating stories of transformation and growth from around the world.